Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Dave Jeffrey Camposano. Our topic for the discussion today is all about hypothesis testing about a population mean when the variance is known. So there are 5 steps, no? Ayan. Okay? So kailangan magawa natin lahat ng 5 steps na to, no? So step 1, state the null and alternative hypothesis. Ito yung mga diniscuss natin last video, no? Number 2, choose the level of significance. Step 3, compute the test statistics. So ito, magpo-focus tayo sa z-test kasi variance is known. Okay? Step 4, determine the critical value. And then step 5, draw a conclusion. So ayan guys, try natin. The appropriate test statistics for testing a claim about a population mean when the population variance is known and n is greater than or equal to 30 is, ayan yung formula natin. So x bar is equal to mean. Na-discuss na natin yan before, yung formula na yan. Mu is population, yan. So try natin. Ito yung z table natin. Na-discuss na rin natin yan before kung paano siya gagamitin, no? Yan. So tandaan natin yung 5 steps. Ayan. Ito yung problem natin. Tignan nyo mabuti. Kailangan magawa nating maayos yung 5 steps natin, no? So number 1, the leader of the Association of Jeepney Drivers claims that the average daily take-home pay of all jeepney drivers in Pasay City is 400 pesos. A random sample of 100 jeepney drivers in Pasay City was interviewed, and the average daily take-home pay of these drivers is found to be 425 pesos. Use a 0.05 significance level to find out if the average daily take-home of all jeepney drivers in Pasay City is different from 400 pesos. Assume that the population variance is 92 pesos. Okay? So gagamitin natin yung step 1 to step 5. Ano yung step 1 natin, guys? Step 1, state the null and alternative hypothesis. Na-discuss na natin yan kung paano gumawa ng ho and ha. Step 1, state the null and alternative hypothesis. Okay? The ho and ha. So ano yung ho natin? Ano yung kine-claim? Claims that the average daily take-home pay of all jeepney drivers in Pasay is 400 pesos. So, mu is equal to 400 pesos. Yun yung claim, di ba? Okay? Next. Ano naman yung ha natin? Hanap tayo ng keyword. Different. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng different? Not equal. Kasi kabaliktaran siya, di ba? Pero may mga times na makikita natin greater than or less than, pero sabi different, so not equal to 400 pesos. Okay? So meron na kagad tayong step 1, which is state the null and alternative hypothesis. Ayan. Step 2, choose the level of significance. Ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat, no? Kasi yan is given na. Kumbaga, kopyahin na lang natin. So yan, sabi sa problem, ano yung level of significance natin? 0.05. O, tapos. Step 2. So, ang level of significance natin, that is 0.05. Guys, ingat kayo sa step 1 ha, kasi pag mali ang step 1, mali na lahat yan. Dapat dun palang tama na tayo. Next. Step 3. So, step 3 natin, ano ba yung step 3 natin? Yan, para tandaan natin, compute the test statistic. So, gagamitin natin tong formula. Ayan. So, Z, kopyahin natin yung formula. X bar minus mu over ayan, square root of n. Substitute natin yung mga given natin. Z is equal to ito, 425. So 425 minus 400 all over ano natin, variance 92. So 92 variance all over square root of what is n? N is 100. Yun, 100 jeepney drivers. So yan, using calculator, ang lalabas natin dyan na sagot is Z is equal to 2.72. Okay? Tandaan nyo mabuti itong 2.72 na to kasi ito yung magde-decide kung i-accept natin si Ho or i-reject natin si Ho. No? So tapos na tayo sa step 3. Step 4 tayo. Step 4, determine the critical value. Ayan, determine the critical value. Step 4, determine the critical value. Okay? So, kung titignan natin yung given natin, dito, two-tailed tayo kasi two-tailed tayo because not equal. Tama? Two-tailed tayo. Tapos, level of significance natin is 0.05. Kaya yan, no? Kung titignan natin yung table natin, two-tailed, ito, level of significance is 0.05. So, that is positive, negative 1.96. Okay? So, two-tailed tayo. Bakit naging two-tailed? Yan, diniscuss natin yan before. Kasi not equal. Anong level of significance natin? 0.05. So, two-tailed, 0.05, that is positive and negative 1.96. So, kapag gumawa tayo ng curve, guys, ito yung gitna natin. Okay? So, negative 1.96 and positive 1.96, or kahit hindi natin siya lagyan ng positive kasi understood naman na meron siyang na positive siya na 1.96. Okay? So ito yung ating accepted region. Accepted region. So rejected region. Itong color red. Rejected region. Rejected region. So, ito yung critical value natin na critical value. Okay? So, tingnan nyo mabuti guys. Paano tayo magde-decide dyan? Ano yung lumabas na sagot natin sa step 3? 2.72. Positive 2.72. Nasaan si 2.72 dyan? Ito 0 yan eh. Number line tayo. So, 2.72 somewhere here. Nandito siya sa kanan ng 1.96. 2.72. Nasaan siya? Accepted or rejected region? Nasa rejected region. Alin nga ulit ang tinetest natin dito guys? Ang tinetest natin dito is yung null hypothesis or the Ho. Nasaan si Ho? Accepted region or rejected region? Ayun, very good. Nasa rejected region, no? Ayan. So, anong magiging decision natin? Yan, step 5 tayo. Ang step 5 natin is draw conclusion. Draw a conclusion. So yun, nakita na natin yung conclusion natin, no, dito sa step 4. Nasaan si null hypothesis? Nasa rejected region. So reject Ho, accept ha. Ito lang yung pinaka-decision natin. Reject Ho, accept ha. Pero pag ininterpret natin siya, therefore the average daily take home pay of jeepney drivers is not equal to 400 pesos. Okay? Kumbaga ito, in-interpret lang natin to. Therefore, ayan, not equal, no? Therefore, the daily take-home pay of jeepney drivers is not equal to 400 pesos. So, ganun lang ang ating step 1 to step 5. Di ba? Madali lang guys, slowly but surely. Number 2. According to a study done last year, the average monthly expenses for cellphone loads of high school students in Manila was 350 pesos. A statistics student believes that this amount was increased since January of this year. Is there a reason to believe that this amount has really increased? If a random sample of 60 students has an average monthly expenses for cellphone loads of 380 pesos, use 0.05 level of significance, assume that the population standard deviation is 77 pesos. Okay? So yan. 5 steps tayo. Step 1, state the null and alternative hypothesis. Step 1. So yan, step 1 natin, ano yung pinaka-claim natin according to is 350 pesos. So equal to 350 pesos. So ho mu is equal to 350 pesos. Ano yung ha natin? Ha is increased. Ayan, increased. Pag sinabi natin increased, that is greater than. So, greater than 350 pesos. So, diniscuss na natin yan, paano kumuha ng ho and ha, no? Next, step 2. Pinakamadali sa lahat. Ponsto, no? Step 2. Ano yung level of significance natin? Level of significance is 0.05. Okay? Step 3. Ayun, yung computation na natin. No? Step 3, compute the test statistics. Yung formula natin. Substitute natin yung given. Z is equal to ito, 380. So, 380 minus 350 all over 77 yung standard deviation natin, all over square root of 60. So tandaan nyo guys, kapag 30 pataas, that is z-test ha. Kapag 29 pababa, t-test. Huwag nyo kalimutan yan guys. So yan, using our calculator, the value of z will be 3.02. Okay? So yan, alam nyo na kung anong purpose ng 3.02 na yan later, no? Okay? Next, step 4. Ayan, step 4. Ano yung step 4 natin? Determine the critical value. So, step 4, critical value. Magdodrawing muna tayo ng curve. 0. So, anong gagawin natin? Is this one-tailed or two-tailed? Very good. Two-tailed, no? One-tailed. Kasi increase, greater than. So, nasa right. So, nandito siya, no? Okay? One-tailed tayo. Tapos, level of significance is 0.05. One-tailed, tapos 0.05. That is 1.645. Ito, one-tailed tayo. Tapos, 0.05. That is 1.645. So, nasan? Positive, negative? Positive. Kasi nasa kanan eh. Increased. So, nandito siya. 1.645. Okay? So, ngayon guys, itong natitira natin dito, ito yung ating accepted region. Ito is yung rejected region. Critical value natin is 1.645. Okay? So, yan. Ano yung gagawin natin? Very good. Yung sagot natin sa step 3, i-locate natin. 3.02. Nasaan si 3.02? 3.02 somewhere here. 3.02. Nasa accepted region o rejected region? Very good, nasa rejected region. So ngayon, ayan na. Conclude na tayo. Draw a conclusion. Reject ho, kasi nasa reject yung sagot natin, no? Tandaan nyo guys, ang tinetest natin dito is null hypothesis. Reject ho, accept ha. Okay? So yan, therefore, the average monthly expenses for cell phone loads of high school students in Manila is more than. So pwedeng palitan natin ng word more than, greater than, higher than. Basta pare-paras lang siya, more than 350 pesos. Ayan yun, in-interpret natin yung ha. Okay, so pero tandaan nyo guys, ang conclusion natin dyan, yung reject ho, accept ha. Pero syempre, anong ibig sabihin nun? Reject ho, accept ha. So in-interpret lang natin. Therefore, the average monthly expenses for cellphone loads of high school students in Manila is more than 350 pesos. So wag nyo kalimutan, step 1, state an alternative hypothesis, determine the critical value or level of significance. Tapos compute natin, then yon, no? So ganyan lang ginagawa ang ating number 2. Okay, so last problem na tayo, number 3. So I hope na alam niyo na kung paano gawin yung 5 steps, no? Ayan, madali lang naman siya. Slowly but surely lang tayo, guys. Practice, practice, practice. Para at least alam natin kung paano natin siya gagawin, no? Kasi pag nag-thesis kayo, magagamit niyo yan. Ganyan yan, no? Kailangan ma-interpret niyo, no? Okay? So number 3. The head of the math department announced that the mean score of grade 9 students in the first periodic examination in mathematics was 89 and the standard deviation was 12. One student who believed that the mean score was less than this randomly selected 34 students and computed their mean score. She obtained a mean score of 85 at 0.01 level of significance. Test the students' believed. Ayan. Okay? So maliwanag yung problem natin. Step 1. Ayan, null and alternative hypothesis. Okay, so ano yung claim ng head ng mathematics department is equal to 89. Ano naman yung claim ng student? Ito, less than. Yun yung keyword natin. Less than 89. Okay? So, tapos na kagad tayo sa step 1. Step 2. Pinakamadali sa lahat. Step 2 is level of significance natin 0.01. Step 3. Formula muna natin. Ayan. So substitute the given. So 85 minus 89 all over 12 level of standard deviation natin over square root of 34. Ayan, so using our calculator, ang lalabas na sagot natin is negative 1.94. Sunod natin, determine the critical value. Step 4. So draw muna tayo ng curve. Is this one-tailed or two-tailed? One-tailed. Kasi ito greater than or less than. Tandaan nyo, nagiging two-tailed lang siya kapag not equal yung ha natin. Dahil greater than siya or less than, kapag greater than or less than siya, one-tailed yun. Kapag ka not equal, two-tailed. Kasi hindi natin alam kung nasa kaliwa ba siya or nasa kanan. So ito nasan? Nasan yung ano natin? nasa kaliwa, no? So ayan, ano yung critical value natin? Level of significance is 0.01 and then one-tailed. One-tailed 0.01. Ayun, positive, negative 2.33. So nasan yung ano natin? Critical value natin 0, nasa kaliwa kasi less than eh. This is negative. So tandaan nyo, nasa kaliwa negative, nasa kanan positive, negative 2.33. Okay? This is the accepted region. Ito yung ating rejected region. Ayan, no? Then, ano yung sagot natin sa step 3? Negative 1.94. Nasaan si negative 1.94? Nandito. Dito lang, oh. Negative 1.94. Okay, malilito ha? Kasi ito, pataas yung nandun, no? Dito sa kaliwa. So, negative 1.94. Ayan. So, negative 1.94. So, ito yung ating critical value kasi tinatanong yan sa step 4. What is the critical value? So, the critical value is negative 2.33. Ayan na. Last step na tayo. Step 5. So, anong decision natin? Nasaan si value natin? Nasa accepted or rejected? Nasa accepted. So, accept ho. Accept natin siya kasi accept natin si null hypothesis dahil nasa accepted region siya. Reject ha. Okay? So, therefore, the mean score of the students in the first periodic mathematics examination is not less than 89. Okay? Or is equal to 89. Kasi equal yung ginamit na is equal to 99. Equal to 89. Okay? So, analyze din natin yung statement. No? Ano ba yung kiniklaim ni principal, head ng mathematics department? Ayan. Announced that the mean score of was 89. O equal, no? Yun. Equal to 89. Okay? So, recall nga natin. Step 1, we are going to state the null and alternative hypothesis. Step 2, ayan. Level of significance. Pinakamadali sa lahat. Step 3, kukompute natin siya. Yun lang yung formula natin kapag z-test. Paano nga ba malalaman kapag z-test? Yung n natin is 30 pataas. Then step 4, determine the critical value. Importante yan ha guys kasi dyan tayo kukuha ng decision natin. No? Step 5, titignan natin kung saan nag-fall yung value natin, kung nasa accepted ba o rejected. So, tandaan natin kung yun ang magdedetermine kay null hypothesis kasi ang tinetest natin is si null hypothesis, then i-translate lang natin into statement para malaman natin yung decision dun sa problem natin, no? Ayan. Okay? So, ganyan lang kadali ang ating test of hypothesis, no? So, I hope you learned something new from our discussion. So, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.